Hey guys, we are in Dunedin today, another mysterious, crazy high water bill. So we're here, again, first thing we always check is the water meter, so let's find it, all right? Here we are outside. Here's what your meter pit will look like. You can see we already have the lid opened up on this one. If you get down inside, you'll notice this little red triangle deal. This is called a leak indicator. See how this one is moving? If you see it moving, go inside, make sure the kids, the wife, nobody's using any water, washing machines aren't running, toilets aren't running. If nothing's running, then that water's going somewhere, indicating you might have a leak. Here we've already deduced that it's between the meter and the house. I'll show you how we did it. Hang on. All right guys, so I'm up next to the house to show you the shutoff valve. So here it is. When it's perpendicular this way, this means the water to the house is off. If the water to the house is off and that meter is still moving, that tells us the leak is gonna be somewhere between here and the meter. Let's go find it. So now we're here. I got my man Jeremy. Here he is. He's listening for the leak right now with the ultrasonic machine. So he's deduced this leak is somewhere between here. Let me show you. So Jeremy's here and he's listening. You can see our device he's using. And that meter is all the way on the other side of this car, guys. All the way over by that mailbox. And he's using this machine to try to figure out where the leak is. This is how we do it. Sometimes it can be a very long and tedious process, but we will not stop until we find it. Jeremy, you hear anything?
Airplanes.
You want me to be quiet so you can listen?
I think the lady in 7C just ordered a chicken cordon bleu.
We gonna keep working. All right, I know I don't have any kind of time lapse, but the lady that was in the plane in 7B has finished her cordon bleu, according to Jeremy. He's saying he can hear her in that plane way up there with the machine. So now he's checking under the driveway. We still haven't found this. We've been here for a minute too, so we're gonna keep all going, guys. See what we can find. Guys, he thinks he found it. I just wanna show you something that's crazy. Like, we think the leak is right here. Let me show you where right here is, and then we're gonna walk all the way up on it, seriously. All right, so here's Jeremy, standing in the middle of the yard where the leak is. We're gonna dig this up, don't worry, but look. There's no water, there's nothing showing up anywhere, guys, literally. Like if I get down here in the grass, there's no sign of a leak anywhere. So we're gonna get our shovels and see what we can find. My man Jeremy's out here standing on the shovel. How confident are you, Jeremy?
Oh, it's here.
All right, you were confident?
Oh yeah.
Would you be handling that shovel if it wasn't?
No, this shovel stays on the truck until you know where the leak is. I don't know about you, but I'm not a big fan of digging.
What Jeremy was just saying about digging, because he's pretty far down in this hole. Let me show you guys. Jeremy, what was you just saying about digging?
I don't like to dig.
You're pretty deep, man. You guys, I don't see a leak there. I really don't. And I'm not joking. I don't know how I'm gonna put this on YouTube. All right, it looks like, Jeremy, did you find a pipe way down in there?
I got the pipe.
Look at him, he's down here digging. I see a pipe, I don't see a leak.
I
Are we
hear a
gotta
leak.
find leaks or are we gotta find pipes? Which one?
You gotta find one before you can find the other.
All right, we're gonna keep digging, see what we can get. All right, boom. See, that's crazy. Look at all the water coming out. Look at the smoke. Wow, all right. We're gonna get this thing exposed up good so that these people can get it fixed. I'll show you guys the leak here in just a second. All right, leak's up here behind me. There's Jeremy over at the water meter. Let me spin you back around. He's over there. To recap, oh, there's our leak. Check it out. So all that water is just going underground, causing you a high water bill. We hope you don't have a leak. If you do, you need somebody to come and find it, sniff it out. No matter how long it takes, we will come and find it. Yes, we're flat rate. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.